little quick review of this mini body camera. Here's the name of it. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that name because I know I'm gonna butcher it. So there it is. Yeah. So what comes in the box? I already opened it up and I was using it for a couple days. What comes in the box? Camera itself, user manual, micro SD card reader. I've got enough of these. I don't have to use this one. This is a quarter 20 mount that you could attach to the back of this. It's got this little belt clip on here. You can exchange this one for this one if you want to attach it to like a tripod or something like that. It also has the mini, what do you call it, USB Type-C cable. It's Type-C, so good. Looking at the camera itself, you get the belt clip on the back. Simple. It detaches and reattaches if you want to use it. On the front, you get the lens. You get the little LEDs. It's hard to see, but the little LED lights right there. And you get the infrared lights here. On the side here, you get the over here is the power button / start record button, and over here is the audio record start stop button. And on the bottom here, you get the USB Type-C port, the reset button, and the micro SD card slot. I forgot to mention this. It comes, well, mine anyway, came with a 64 gigabyte card. So yeah, no name, 64 gigabyte card. So there you go. Yeah, I got a 128 gigabyte card in there now. No problems. Turn it on. You just long press this one, and you can see the LEDs. Okay, so it starts recording now. That flashing blue light LED indicates that it's recording. You hit it again to stop, and you can press this one to start audio recording. You see it flashes green. To stop audio recording, you press that again. Oh, you have an LED, no LED mode. You could also hide this blinking LED. You press, it's blinking now. So you can press both of them like that, and it hides it. So it's still recording, but it hides it. Press these two simultaneously. Press them again. The LED is blinking again. It's still recording, and you can hide it. I haven't found a way to manually turn on or off the LEDs for if you're recording like daytime versus nighttime. But if you're recording in the day, you can see the LEDs are on right now. If you're in a dark environment, the LEDs are automatically come on. Or if you're in a light environment, they're gonna automatically go off. I haven't found a way to manually turn it on or off. It's just automatic by default. I haven't found a way to manually turn it on or off if you're in a light environment versus a dark environment. User manual. Set the time. There's a TXT file, a text file. It has loop recording. Loop recordings for 5 minutes, and I'll put up the the specifics of each file size and all the file sizes and how many megabits per second, all that kind of stuff. I'll put that up here so you'll be able to see that. It's 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second, 131 degree viewing angle. I think it says the battery life is 5 hours. I think charging time is 3 to 4 hours. I'm not sure. Full charging time. You can record audio for 6.5 hours. So you can read through it, and that's pretty much it. It's a good, cheap little camera. Very, very small. Here it is compared to my Bob Love KJ21 body cam. On the right side. So there you go. Yeah, one thing I wish the indicator light was on top, so when you're wearing it on your shirt, you could look down and see what's the status of it. What it's doing. But yeah, nice little body camera. I like it. I'll put up some footage from a couple days that I've been using it, and yeah, that's it. I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to buy it. You know, cheap, nice, cheap little body cam. Yeah, that's it. In previous videos, the shirt I'm wearing is black. It's probably gonna show up as purple. I don't know why it does that. It's daylight time, you know, daylight outside. The video quality is a lot better than I thought it would be, but in terms of, I don't know, color reproduction, it's a little weird. Have a nighttime test of the camera. See what it looks like at night. Sort of getting dark outside. Yeah. There you go. The infrareds are on because it's dark. Yeah, there you go.